No credit history? No problem. You can build credit starting today. Think you need a credit card to build credit? Not true. Starting from scratch might feel overwhelming, but it's actually the best place to begin. You're in full control. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go from a credit ghost to a solid score, even if you're starting with $0 and no financial history. Already have some credit history? Make sure to stick around toward the end of this video for tips on how to skyrocket your score. Let's break it down step by step. What does no credit really mean? If you've never had a credit card, loan, or anything reported to the credit bureaus, you're what lenders call a thin file. It doesn't mean bad credit, it just means you haven't started yet. The good news? You have no mistakes to clean up. The bad news? Lenders can't trust what they can't see. 3. Easy ways to start building credit. Option 1. Use a secured credit card. This is one of the easiest ways to get started. You put down a deposit, usually $200 to $500, and that becomes your credit limit. You use it like a normal card, pay it off on time, and boom, it reports to the credit bureaus. After a few months of on-time payments, many companies let you upgrade to a regular unsecured credit card and refund your deposit. Option 2. Become an authorized user. This one's underrated. Ask a parent, sibling, or trusted friend to add you as an authorized user on one of their credit cards. You don't even have to use the card. Their payment history and credit age get added to your report. Just make sure it's someone responsible. You want good habits rubbing off, not bad ones. Option 3. Try a credit builder loan or account. Apps like Self, Kikoff, or Chime now offer credit builder accounts that work like this. You pay a small monthly amount into a savings plan. They report your on-time payments as credit activity. At the end, you get the money back and a stronger credit profile. Do these things to build credit faster. Okay, you've started. Now let's build smart. Always pay on time. Payment history makes up 35% of your score. Keep your usage low. Don't max out your cards. Keep balances under 30% of your limit, ideally under 10%. Avoid applying for too many accounts at once. It dings your score and looks desperate. Check your score monthly. Use free tools like Credit Karma, Experian, or your bank app. Starting with no credit might feel like a disadvantage, but it's really your chance to build things the right way from day one. If you stay consistent, even a few small steps can turn into a strong credit score in less than a year. Leave a comment if you're starting from zero and subscribe to Cash Compass for more fast and real personal finance content that actually helps.